Hey guys, for all of you who have an ozone filtration system, a lot of you have asked us, hey, how do I know if the ozone generator is actually working? So let me give you a quick little overview over the ozone filtration system. This is the ozone generator, and this is the ozone venturi. So the venturi injects ozone that the generator makes into your water supply. How it does that is that it creates suction right here. So as the ozone generator outputs and creates gas, and it feeds it through this line into your venturi, the venturi sucks that gas and enters it into the water that rushes through here. As the water rushes through here, it creates the right pressure and the right suction. Now, for some of you, you might not have the right suction. And this is why we installed this red valve over here. Okay, it has multi-function. So if you close this valve and leave it to about here, where it's almost pointing to the top of this venturi, you're closing how much water goes through the water filter and how much water is forced to go through the venturi. So as you do this and you play with this red valve, and you know that the ozone generator is on, look into your water supply, because I guarantee you will see air or ozone entering your water. Another way to figure it out if you have ozone working or not, simply remove this tube off of the venturi. So I just removed this tubing from the venturi, from the top of it. So if you're running it, you literally will hear the air being sucked into it. So as you work with this red valve and you're closing and creating more water pressure going through it, you will hear and you will actually feel, if you put your finger on top of the venturi, you will feel the air being sucked in. So that's it. That's how you know your ozone system is fully functional. Make sure that the ozone venturi is sucking the air in, and this ozone generator is on, the green indicator light is on, and you will be fine.